Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix wireless charging not working on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, go back to home screen and enter your phone pin. You will check your problem is solved. But if it's not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. Here it's showing you fast wireless charging. Enable fast wireless charging. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's not solved, so last solution is software update. Go to app library. Here click on settings app and you will see second option is my phone. And you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix wireless charging not working on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.